Am I seeing double? No, of course not. There are two iPhones here. Yes, after lockdown 2.0, I had to get out of the house. So what better journey than to pop down to the Apple Store and grab a couple of iPhone 12s. So we've got the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Mini. Okay, this was actually an upgrade. These are both mine actually. There's no sponsorship or anything like that. This one was an upgrade. This one, well, I've bought. The reason being is the Pro took like a month to be delivered and kind of just arrived today. And I kind of got a bit bored and a bit like, you know, let's look at other alternatives, because I really thought it's not going to happen, or certainly not for a long time. And then I kind of watched a few videos and I got the Mini in my mind and I thought, yeah, you know, this would be great. So, you know, having a flagship mobile phone that you can hold in one hand, why not? I mean, mobile phones have got huge over the years, and really they're not really phones, are they? They're more like media consumption devices, you know, play games, watch Netflix, watch YouTube videos, and so forth. So guys, what phone am I gonna keep? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So yes, we have a couple of iPhones in the house. Well, a couple of iPhone 12s, because we already got an 11. So yes, I'm absolutely torn. I really like the idea of having the Pro. Why wouldn't I? I've got an 11 Pro, so it kind of makes sense as a, you know, as a next stage to get the 12 Pro. But I also like the fact that I can hold this in one hand. The concept of that is really interesting to me. So guys, I'm reaching out to the good folks, the good folks of YouTube, to let me know what you think in the comments. Would you go for the 12 Pro? Would you go for the 12 Mini? Maybe you own them already and maybe you can tell me what one you've got and why you actually went for that one. Because I've got to tell you, I am absolutely torn. There's a million videos out there on the iPhone 12, every shape, color, whatever. And I could make this the 1,000,001 video. But I am really struggling with which one of these phones I want to keep. So, shall we unbox them? Come on then, let's do it. So there you have it, guys. Nothing much in the box. The phone's out, peeled the paper off the screen. Nothing's in the box. You've kind of got your little sticker pack and your SIM ejection tool and your cable, and that's it. Nothing else in the box. No earphones, no charging brick. I mean, Apple say they're not including that stuff because they're trying to keep the costs down. But I've got to tell you, I bought that mag charger thing with the power brick and it's like 50 quid. So they're not keeping my costs down. I mean, yeah, I get it. You can charge up using the old lightning cable and the old power adapters and stuff like that. But, you know, we're looking for efficiencies as we move through time and we evolve through time. And if you want efficiencies, you kind of have to have the latest, you know, tech that are providing you those efficiencies. But it's expensive. £50 in the UK. Yeah. But you know what they say? If you want to be in the Apple gang, you kind of have to pay the Apple tax. And it's only going to get worse because all of these so-called mag gadgets are going to be expensive. I mean, take the MagSafe money clip or whatever it's called. Like, that thing's about £60 and I don't get it. Now, I already use a money clip and I've had lots of different ones over the years. You know, usually I get ones where you can keep a couple of cards in, but the important thing is you can keep cash in it. As you know, prior to COVID, people used to use cash. Shock horror. No, it's true. People used to use cash, and actually oldies like myself still kind of use a little bit of cash. But of course, the MagSafe wallet thing, whatever it's called, you can put a couple of cards in it and that's it. There's no room to put any cash in it. So at the moment I'm using this thing which I've had for a long time, and you know, you can keep a bunch of cards in it. This thing's got protection to stop your cards being scanned, scammed, skimmed, whatever. It's got like RFID protection or whatever the hell the technology is. But the important thing is that you can keep some cash in there because, contrary to all belief, there still will be a use for cash. But you know, if we're moving down the road and COVID is going to be a thing long term, I think that has, for most people, eradicated any need to use cash. Everything is contactless now, and in fact the UK government or the UK banks have changed the limit for contactless transactions from £30 to £45. So very usable. So I don't understand what, oh yeah, look at that. It's nice, isn't it? I don't know, do you like the shiny back? See, I like the shine. I don't like the shiny back so much, but I really like the matte sides. And then on here, you've kind of got the nice matte back on the Pro, but you've got these funny shiny sides, and I don't really know if I like that. So again, guys, you know, help me out here. You know, which one would you have? But anyway, as I was saying, that yes, you know, the banks have raised the limits for contactless payments, but in fact, on your phone, using Apple Pay or Google Pay, I mean, there is no limit. So why would you want, this one's not magnetic, let me grab this one. Why would you want to stick a card holder onto the back of this phone, or even this phone, when your cards are already electronically stored in here? It doesn't make any sense to me. You're going to pay £60 for what? Because you can't put any cash in it, so there's no value there. Pretty much every card machine now is contactless. So why would you pay £60, stick a magnetic card holder where you can only have cards, and I don't believe there's any RFID protection in there at all. So why would you do that? I just don't get it. Maybe you could let me know in the comments, because maybe it's something I don't understand, but for me, I just don't get it. And you know what? What makes me laugh, I don't know whether to laugh or cry, but what makes me laugh is that I've seen a ton of videos by some very influential video makers and YouTube content creators actually bigging this contraption up. And I don't get it. I watched a video the other day of a guy, and I don't want to mention his name. I don't think it would be fair. Should I? No. I'm too small a channel to have any enemies. So I saw a well-known content creator, filmmaker, and maybe you've seen the video yourself, but he was actually showing people how to put it in your pocket. So he's got it snapped on to the back of the phone, and he's trying to show people the proper way to put it into your pocket, into your back pocket, so that it doesn't snap off, because it's magnetic. So, if you catch it, it's probably going to pull itself off. Anyway, so yeah, and I just don't get it. I just do not get the whole concept of your cards are electronically stored. Why are you carrying them around as well? It doesn't make any sense. So, I don't know, guys. Maybe somebody can tell me. Please leave the comment in the comments section if you know the answer. So guys, on that note, I am gonna get these set up. I've started the process with this one. So with the Mini, maybe that's my favorite at the moment. I don't know. This is feeling quite nice in the hand now. Oh, I'm so torn. But I'm gonna get these two devices set up. I'm gonna come back in a few days with a video giving you my views. Like I said, I'm not sponsored, so these are my devices. You're going to get my honest reviews. One of these is going to become my daily driver. The other one, I don't know. I might sell it. Let's see. I've got this as well, so yeah. Don't need 3 phones, right? That's for sure. But yes, I'm going to come back in a few days, give you my honest impression of which one of these I'm going to keep, what is good, bad, ugly, or worse. And yeah, I'm going to let you know which one I'm going to keep. But guys, please, if you've got any comments, questions, if you own these, if you've got any ideas of why I should keep one over the other, maybe you've got them yourselves and you've made a decision, and maybe you've gone through the same thought process or whatever, I'd be pleased to hear that. So guys, yeah, please leave me those comments in the comments section. And guys, if you want to be notified of that video when it comes out, please subscribe. Please click on that bell icon so you can be notified of that video when it comes out and any other videos I make. And guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.